Thank you for watching my video. Endless refinements. A little less guesswork involved in making these adjustments than I used to engage in. It used to be a lot more bewildering, and that creates a lot of fatigue that I no longer have to deal with. I don't have a whole lot of energy as it is, so I'm hoping I can get to where I don't make quite so many mistakes. That's time-consuming, correcting things that I didn't need to do. But you got to learn that somehow. Incorporating the mustache in the face instead of a separate mesh. That wasn't satisfactory anyway. I might end up detaching it anyway for further modeling, but nonetheless, it'll match up to the face once I'm finished with that. Again, thanks for watching my video.